Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN Honor on the screen and you are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. And today I bring to you another wonderful video and updates on my boom and crash strategies. And this video is more peculiar to my boom and crash synthetic indices and Forex trading audience, right? I know for a couple of weeks now, it's roughly, let me just say close to 2 weeks, I've not uploaded Forex strategies. I've not uploaded synthetic indices strategies, and it has really become of concern to majority of my audience, which of course are boom and crash traders, okay? Now, some of you have been asking me questions if I still have you in mind. Of course, that's where we started from, right? So the review videos I make on IPC and then other investment platforms is just a kind of diversifications, okay? Because we don't have to put our eggs just in one basket, right? So, and I know that there are lots of you who are interested in investing, in diversifying, and then investing, trying out other investment options, right? That's why for weeks now I've been making update videos, review videos on certain investment platforms, and of course some of you are beneficiaries already, while some of you, don't just like going into such. So I still have you guys in mind, and of course I always tell you guys that I have inexhaustible strategies, inexhaustible boom and crash strategies. And of course majority of my contents on YouTube, they are from that wing, right? And you guys know that that's exactly where we started from, and we are still on it, very much on it. So please, we are going to be dynamic this time, but please keep expecting wonderful VIP strategies from CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. Meanwhile, within the week, to still tell you that I have you in mind, I'm going to be uploading, most likely tomorrow, I will be uploading a very special trading approach, a very special trading technique on how you can take one of the profitable classic pattern. That video has been recorded before and is supposed to be strictly for my mentorship students, okay? But because I'd like you to also have a knowledge in that, I'll be uploading it for you guys tomorrow, being Tuesday. So stay tuned for it, and most likely within the week I should be able to upload another VIP strategy. I want to be uploading VIP strategies for you guys. Of course, whenever I upload VIP strategies, you know how it does, you know how it performs, and I really thank God for the testimonies I've been getting. So there are many things in stock for you guys, and please, if you are still interested in, of course, I said something, okay? Now when it comes to the online to digital space, all of us, we know already that it's a risky adventure, because trading CFDs and Forex has to do with a high level of risk. So, but no matter what happens, online business, physical business can collapse, okay? It's not only online business that can collapse, even physical ones can collapse. So that IPC is going the way it's going does not mean we should stop investing. So those of you who are still interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, investing in other investment platforms, we are still on it. So we are going to be combining these things, but don't forget that boom and crash, synthetic indices strategies is our mainstream. That's where we started, and we are still on it. I said I have inexhaustible strategies and trading approaches, inexhaustible content on Forex, on synthetic indices. So we are still going to be releasing them while we are juxtaposing it with other investment platform options, as we'll be bringing your way from time to time. Now, I want to still encourage you. I don't fail to say that the more time you spend on your trading charts, the more you learn about the behavior of the market. Okay. Now, a quick one. This was a trade I took, and this trade has been here for like 3 days right now on Boom 1000. Now, I've always encouraged you guys to always study the behavior of the market. Now, there was a time I made a video where I talked about the moving average, the dynamic support and resistance moving average period 200. Now, I took this trade, I think from M15, when I discovered that the market was approaching after it has made a strong bullish move to this point. Okay, now it started ranging before it started descending. So I discovered it was approaching this moving average period 200. Then I also discovered on this is 15 minutes time frame. Now I discovered that the market was also above the moving average on M30. Okay, now I quickly recall there was a video I made concerning that. If you check in my playlist, I think classic pattern or thereabout, you will see it. I discovered that it's going to approach to retest the moving average period 200 on M30. Now, and my conclusion now was that if it eventually cross the moving average on M15, that is going to retest it on M30. Now, I discovered at the same time that on H1, H4, and even D1, the market has gone above the moving average. And as it is descending, it must be retesting them. And if it crosses that of M15, there is this likelihood is going to cross that of M30. And if it eventually crosses that of M30, is going to descend down to either retest, in fact, it's going to retest the H1 and then in the long run cross it. And if it eventually crosses, and I've discovered that it crosses the lower time frame M15, M30, and then H1, that there is high probability of it still crossing even till daily time frame. And that's exactly what played out, and that's why this trade is still running. It's a very powerful trading approach and insight you need to know, right? So look at it. Let's just check now. This is let's see how I play that, and look at where I entered. Okay, immediately after I cross the moving average on M15. Now the market came below it. I've made several videos on moving average period 200. Now let's go to M30. Now it later crossed it and then came below it. Okay, H1, it crossed it. I think that was yesterday. It came below it. Now currently it is on the moving average period 200 again on H4. Okay, hope you can see that. So I'll be looking at it throughout today and tomorrow if it's going to cross it. Meanwhile, this is the sniper entry after this bullish move. Okay, now this is not coincidence. That's why I say the more time you spend on the chart, the more you get to know about the behavior of the market. Okay, now we've uploaded indicator based strategies. We've uploaded contents on how you can trade off price actions and many approaches. Okay, yet some of you still I believe they are not maybe they are just passers by. They are not really followers of the contents that we create and we post on this channel. A lot of people have benefited, and for some persons to stop by leaving comments that we only we fill our charts with indicators and all that. Okay, we've shown many ways to trade Forex and to trade synthetic indices, both price action, both trading off, studying the behavior of the market, and then trading with indicator-based strategies and all that. This is because we want you to, have an in-depth knowledge, and we want you to be dynamic. We want you to know different approaches you can use to trade the financial market. And we are glad that many of you are having serious improvement. So please be expecting great content like always on this channel. Starting from tomorrow, I'm going to be uploading at least, I will be uploading within the week at least 2 synthetic indices, trading strategies and approach. Okay, and like I said, the one I'll be uploading tomorrow is going to be on how you can trade a particular classic pattern profitably. And like I said, it's supposed to be for my mentorship students alone. That content is unlisted, and I'm going to release it and make it public tomorrow so that you learn as well from it. You can trade many ways to make your money from the financial market. So if you are interested, I'm going to there's one more update. Now, a lot of you have been talking about Telegram group or Telegram channel, okay? And I remember I told you guys I don't want to run Telegram channel. But I'm going to be releasing a Telegram group that is going to be public, but keep in mind that it's not going to be Signal group, okay? It's not going to be Signal group. It's just going to be CN Great Councils and Forex Trade Telegram group, and I'll be featuring the investment options on that Telegram group. Okay, I don't want to run so many Telegram groups, and also that has been necessitated because of someone who is using my brand name, my YouTube profile picture to scam people in my name, and I've debunked that it's not me. And because of that, now I think it's wise now to run a Telegram group. But like I said, it's not Signal group. I'm going to be featuring more of the investment options on cryptocurrencies and other platforms for those of you who are interested. Okay, I've made several videos on COTP, cryptocurrency arbitrage, and then I've made contents on IPC, and I still have more investment platforms to bring your way that are highly profitable. So I'm going to be making that Telegram group public, so that men that want to join the family will join, and let's make this money together, guys. Please stay tuned. If you are new on this channel, please kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification on, so that whenever I upload a new video in all these areas, you get notified. Don't forget that the way we are going is also already enshrined in the vision and mandate of the channel. If you go to the about section of this channel, you discover that from the beginning we've been uploading content according to the vision, and it's been helping people, and there are testimonies everywhere. Please stay tuned and let's ride along to get to where we are going. So I'll be talking to you in my next video. This is CN Great Councils signing out for today. I love you guys, and then let's ride on together. Bye.